I was recently playing with the Lyft Rider app while I was online in the Lyft Driver app, and something happened that completely surprised me, but it makes total sense. Let's discuss. So a couple of weeks ago, I was just sitting waiting for requests, and I decided to open the Lyft Rider app to check for nearby drivers. And I know you can see nearby drivers in the Driver app, but I do also like to check the Rider app occasionally just to confirm. And when you open the Rider app, you can see nearby drivers on that small map there. But in order to see that map full screen, I've found that you do have to actually enter a destination. And right after I entered the destination address, something interesting happened. So I was just online in the Driver app. I opened the Rider app. I selected a destination, and then right after the ride options populated on the screen, I got a notification from the Driver app letting me know that there's a ride request available. And sure enough, it was my ride request in my Lyft Passenger app. And the thing is, I had not even confirmed the request yet. So then I realized, and I can't believe I hadn't thought of this before, that after a passenger has entered their destination in the Rider app, those rides are put out as possible matches before a request is ever confirmed. So what Lyft is doing with that potential request is making it available to multiple drivers before the ride is even confirmed, and then after the ride is confirmed, that rider is essentially matched with the driver before they made the request. For years, I had thought that Lyft's Ride Finder was the exact same as Uber's Trip Radar, which are requests that are declined, and then they go out for multiple drivers to accept those requests. And I should have thought of this before, but I see a lot of requests that end up in Ride Finder that should have been accepted. They should have never been declined, and this makes sense that they're going out before the request is even made. And I had also wondered for a while why I wasn't getting matched with these Ride Finder requests, especially when they're right nearby, like at the location I'm at. It's probably because those riders aren't confirming those requests. But just in case they do, Lyft is trying to pre-match them with the driver. And also, I wasn't able to recreate this with the Uber Rider and Driver apps, but I'm assuming they do the exact same thing when you see nearby requests like this that ask you to match with a rider. So you can actually see available requests before they're ever even confirmed. And again, this makes total sense, and it speeds things up, especially on the rider end. They're getting matched with that driver before they're even confirming a request. And again, I'm just finding out about this now, but Chris and Sergio actually discussed it on Show Me the Money Club last year. So I'm not sure how long this has existed, but I'm guessing it has for quite a while. But what about all of you? Were you aware of this pre-matching process, or are you late to the party just like I was? And again, I'm glad I finally figured it out and I can understand this process better, especially when I'm not getting matched with these Ride Finder requests. If you've yet to download the Solo app to help you manage your rideshare business and earn more, our referral link is in the description. We also have a free newsletter, and the link to sign up for that is in the description as well. If you've yet to watch my previous video on not blindly following the Uber and Lyft in-app navigation, be sure to check that one out. Thanks again for watching, and drive safe. Thanks.